خليهم يخلصوا تعالي من هنا. Here empty. This is our board. Wow, يلا show me this.
Migration is a big group of birds or a big group of any animal that migrates from a cold country to a warm country. And birds have different sounds. Some are loud, some are quiet. And birds have a lightweight skeleton and carnivores.
طب stand here. Stand here. Look at me. Okay.
Birds are one-bodied and birds have two teeth. This is the life cycle of a bird, and these are the body parts of a bird. And this is the animal kingdom. Birds have a backbone, and invertebrates have a backbone. Like vertebrates are catalogs, and insects are butterflies. There are so much different kinds of birds.
Type here.
The life cycle of a bird starts with an egg, then it's
Come closer, Ashan.
inside the egg, then it hatches, then it's a chick, then it's an adult.
Wow. Okay. Next.
There are 1,000 species of birds. And some birds are tall, some birds are short.
Okay. Next.
This is a game. You take this and then you read about it, and if you know it, you just put it.
Eagle.
You know what is an eagle? I know.
This.
Okay. No, this is. I
Okay.
want
Falcon.
one.
Okay.
Here. So, no, read about it if you don't know it.
What is this?
Read.
Crow. هذا الحرامي الكرو. هذا الكرو.
Mother.
Falcon. This.
Yeah. Hunt. Bald eagle.
Bald eagle. This.
No. Read about this. Read about it.
Parrot. Parrot. This is hard for her.
This is the bald eagle. What is this?
Falcon. This falcon.
This one.
Yes. Yes.
Bald eagle.
Okay.
Falcon.
طيب something else easy. Puffin. I don't know it.
طب read
It's
it.
hard.
Let's go to the pool.
Yeah, when it's not crowded. يلا, let's go. Here. Start from here. Yeah, tell me.
I did this test and I'm the umbrella bird.
Oh.
You can scan and then you will see what kind of bird you are. Scan it and then you will have a quiz and then you will do it.
Okay. After the video, I'll scan it at the end. Last thing.
And we have chickens.
Oh my God. This is Elisa, right? Oh, it's so cute. He's so cute. Touch him.
We have a life cycle. You
Show
will
me.
do it after him. We have, this is perhaps a bird. She named him Bluey. Blueberry, I mean.
Nice.
Birds.
Oh, sorry.
Facts about birds.
And this one is for whom?
This is for Miss Anna.
Okay, nice.
And this is all types of owls. And if you want to read about the owls, then you will have this, and then you will sing up to your knowledge after reading this.
Okay, I will scan it after. Yeah, next.
Now this is the nest for owl. An owl is an active at night, and it hunts small animals quietly. It sleeps during the day, and an owl is very big eyes to see in the dark. It can turn its head almost around and fly silently.
Okay.
The owl can lay up to 2 to 13 eggs.
Wow.
This is the life cycle of an owl. Its eggs are like sheds wing and an owl's eyes for good eyesight. Flexible neck to turn its head 180 degrees each way. Light body, big wings help the owl flying quietly. Here are fun facts. A habitat of the owl: forests, deserts, and even cities. Owls live almost everywhere except Antarctica.
Okay.
Owls right?
Yeah, this lives in the...
1 to 13 eggs. No.
You have to hear what she's saying. Okay.
Owls use wood chips, carving, and hay.
Next.
These are all fun facts about owls. I read one. They are highly adapted, specialized hunters with excellent survival smarts. That's why owls are smart. And how parents take care of their babies. The female and bodies, while the male hunts and brings food with pink sheep long shorts. Interesting fact. Owls are amazing nocturnal birds of prey with super silent flight and heads that can turn almost all the way around 270 degrees Celsius. But they can't use their big eyes, so they spin their heads instead. The owl that we have is a snowy owl. And this is 10 fun facts about snowy owls. Snowy owls can fly up to 50 miles per hour. Snowy owls' best heat rate is 200. The snowy owl eats its prey whole. Snowy owls are brown nested. Snowy owls often changes their life. Snowy owls can spin their heads around 270 degrees. Snowy owls are up to 25 grand males. Snowy owls are ask you a question. I wonder, do all birds have the same life cycle? How does a baby bird grow inside the egg? How long does it take for a bird to hatch? Why are some birds' eggs are large and some tiny? What would happen if the bird hatches too early? Do all birds have the same lifestyle?
Go stand up there. Here on the side. Stand here with this normal photo.
Now, which students collected facts about birds, compared life cycles of different species. Students compare and make sense of information. We made life cycles, and we did this activity, and then we went to the field to do the farm. We enjoyed the fun, and we had so much fun. I'm gonna put them back. I'm gonna put them back. I want to fly. I'm not good. I'm gonna fly.
أنا فكرتها مش دايرة.
لا.
شلون؟ زي مين؟
نعم.
لا.
شوفيني.